Hello, Team Cup Run It Over. How are you doing this afternoon? It's so nice outside. I'm hoping to get out for a walk after I do this video, but I just wanted to jump on here and talk a little bit about the perks of having or hosting either oily get-together, oily gathering, a 101 class, whatever you want to call it, because I know a lot of times people get a little nervous or a little bit like they don't want to host one of those party things. And I just want to share a little bit about what it's like and that it's a lot of fun. So usually for hosting an event or a class or, hey, Danny, it's really easy. So what you usually do is you have some water and some snacks of some sort. We've had classes at Sass Coffee House. There's a nice little side room. So if you're not somebody who wants to have people over, or maybe you've got extenuating circumstances that hosting at your house is not going to work for you, Sass Coffee House has a little side room, and we've done a ton of classes there. And that's even better because you don't have to cook. People can order their coffee and drinks. But when you do host at your house, you have just a couple light snacks. People usually don't eat much, and some water. And your person who enrolled you with your starter kit is probably the one who's going to be sharing about the oils. If you're really brave, you can do it yourself, but usually you don't have to do all the work. You can just ask the person who enrolled you to share. And so they come over and they talk a little bit about what oils are, how you can use them. Maybe they share a little bit about the history of oils. They talk about the diffuser and all that fun stuff. And then you pass around the bottles of oils and your friends get to smell them and try them. And trust me, people love it. I always feel like whenever I do an oil class, people always leave happy and inspired, and they've smelled all these oils and they feel really good. So it's usually a lot of fun. We do share about the kit and how they can order the kit. And, so that aspect is in there, just so you know. But most people, once they smell and try the oils and they're passed around and the talking about the recipes and all the fun stuff, they're excited about that kit and they want to get their hands on it. So let's talk about the perks, because there's a few of them. So first of all, if you're not interested in like the business side of anything, your person who would be teaching the class, the person who you ordered your kit from, they will most likely give you a hostess gift. I'm not sure what that could be. Some people do a diffuser, some people do an oil, some people do a bunch of like spray bottles and roller bottles and things so that you can make your own recipes. I've had people do recipe books. Some people give you a reference guide, so you could really talk with your enroller or the person who signed you up with your kit, and you could, ask, hey, do you ever do hostess gifts? Because chances are you're going to get something really cool, and it'll be worth it for you just to host a class, just to get that. One of the other perks is that you're helping your friend who's building a business with Young Living, the person you bought your kit from. You're helping them by hosting a class for them, but you're also helping your friends, because your friends that are coming need these products. They need to get chemicals out of their house, and they need to learn about oils and healthy choices and things like that. So they're going to be blessed. Your friend that you're helping with their business is going to be blessed. Now, if you're interested in the business side, there's even better perks. You can earn money when people buy a kit if you host a class. Now, if you're not interested in the business, you can just pass this on to the person, your enroller and sponsor, and they can earn some. But if you are interested, you can earn $50 for every kit that you sell, or 24% of every oil if they buy retail. So you can end up getting a fairly good chunk of money that you can use to get free oils, the next month or for whatever, so that is a really great reason for hosting a class as well. So the perks are, getting a hostess gift or earning awesome commissions, totally up to you. And I just really wanted to share this because I feel like Our oil classes, they can be like a class. You can have somebody teach with a PowerPoint, or you can just sit in a circle around a room and pass around the bottles of oil. You can really customize it to what you feel comfortable with, but they're fun and they're exciting and they're really actually life-changing for people, because a lot of people go to one of these classes, they get this kit, and they really make some healthy changes in their life. So I just want to encourage you guys, if you've kind of been like turned off by the whole party thing, or you've done different parties and you just don't want to host another one, that you might consider hosting one in May or in June. Talk to your upline or your sponsor, enroller, the person that signed you up for your kit, about the possibility of what kind of hostess gift they might give you, or even just say, hey, I'm interested in maybe hosting one of these get-togethers, but I want to know if you would give me a hostess gift, or if you're interested in earning those commissions and knowing more about that business side, ask them about that, because that's really cool too. And you don't even have to really do the whole business. Maybe you just want to get some free oils and you want to earn some commission so you can make another oil order and restock your kit or something. So just wanted to get on here and share with you guys. I love doing classes, get-togethers, whatever. It's so fun. There's lots of different ways to do it too. I know some people do like sniff and sips, where they do like coffee and oils or wine and oils. There's all different ways to do it. So if you're interested, message me, message your person who enrolled you, and get something scheduled, because it's fun. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. I'm going to get out and go for a walk because it is nice out. Bye.